Welcome. My name is Avesh Kumar and I shall help you to know Magad University more closely. The university was established in 1962 under the Vice Chancellorship of Dr. K.K. Datta. At that time, the literacy rate of Bihar was less than a quarter. Today, Magad University itself contributes to around 20% of the total education in Bihar. That sounds interesting. Let's have a closer look to the university.
The university is situated in Bodh Gaya, only 2 kilometers from the UNESCO-declared World Heritage Site, the Mahabodhi Temple. It is a sacred place where Lord Buddha got enlightenment under the Bodhi tree, giving rise to a new religion called Buddhism. Buddhism covers 6% of the world's total population today. Bodh Gaya is a part of the ancient and pious town Gaya. According to the Hindu mythology, Gaya has the deity of Lord Vishnu's celestial feet. Thus, it has become the most sacred Hindu shrine known to free one's ancestral soul and secure its salvation. The university has attained a respectable status among the Southeast Asian countries. A number of students from these countries choose Magad University for higher education and in-depth knowledge of Buddhism. The large sprawling campus is the mecca of education with 24 postgraduate departments in various streams. There are various vocational courses and distance educational programs. Its 44 constituent and 85 affiliated colleges are spread across 7 districts of Bihar. Magad University has played a pivot role in uplifting the education standard of Bihar. The establishment of India's premier management institute, the Indian Institute of Management Bodh Gaya, in 2015, inside the university campus, is the latest achievement by the university.
IIM का एक प्रपोजल आया जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बिहार ने एक्सेप्ट किया सेंटर का, और गवर्नमेंट मगध यूनिवर्सिटी से अप्रोच किया। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि ये तो मगध यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए क्या, मगध पूरे रीजन के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग्स इन डिस्गाइज है ये। तो हमने उसे एक्सेप्ट कर लिया। मगध यूनिवर्सिटी के साउथ साइड में हमने उनको अकोमोडेट कर लिया है, और ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है मगध के लिए, बिहार के लिए। और इसका आने वाले दिनों में ये काफ़ी यहाँ के एकेडमिक माहौल में काफ़ी बदलाव लाएगा IIM।
A green environment and plantation on 11 hectares of land, along with the construction of a hygienic cafeteria and chalets, are the noticeable work in recent years. The chalets and parks are very useful for people to relax, who sometimes come from far-off places to the university's Student Information Center. A professor in charge takes care of all the queries related to the student educational documents and their attestation. The administration building in the center of the campus is the seat of the Honorable Vice Chancellor, the Registrar, the Examination Controller, and other authorities of the university. A great Indian historian, Dr. Kali Kinkar Dutt, and the late Satyendra Narayan Sinha, the then Education Minister of Bihar, worked on to establish the Magad University. With 2 constituent colleges and 32 affiliated colleges across different towns of Bihar in 7 postgraduate departments under the Faculty of Arts, the Magad University was established on the 1st of March 1962. The university office was started at Lal Koti near the district collector's residence in Gaya, while the classes were held at Gautam Buddha Mahila College. The Mahant of Shri Shankaracharya Mutt in Bodh Gaya, Shri Shatanand Giriji Maharaj, donated around 400 acres of their mutt land near the Mahabodhi temple for construction of the university campus. The Mahant of Badhauli also donated around 250 acres of land at Navada for the development of the university. The foundation stone of the present university campus was laid on the 20th of August 1964 by His Excellency Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the then President of India. The campus started functioning from December 1969 under the Vice Chancellorship of Shri B. M. K. Sinha.
Mannu Lal Central Library has a big collection of 1.6 lakh books and old Hindu mythological manuscripts.
This galaxy of knowledge has lightened 3 generations since the university's inception with its vast collection of 1,60,000 books, encyclopedias and journals. The treasured assets of this library are the century-old newspapers and the ancient manuscripts about the Hindu mythology. These rare manuscripts comprise of the Vedas and other Hindu chants, which were handwritten in Sanskrit and Pali languages on palm leaves and banyan leaves centuries ago. This gem of a library was a treasured possession of Mannu Lal Library, founded in 1911 by an educationist, late Surya Prasad Mahajan in Gaya. His son, late Gopal Krishnan Mahajan, donated more than 1,500 manuscripts, old newspapers and books from his ancestral library to Magad University. In honor to the notable work of the Mahajan family, the university library has been named as Mannu Lal Central Library.
I'm forgetting the name. Saxena करके लड़ती थी. And she was very just enthusiastic. Vande Mataram special edition, published from Lahore. किसका है? खफाई का गज़ल है और गज़ल का उन्वान है, जिंदा परवाना हुआ करता है जल जाने के बाद। ऐ फलक रफ़त मिलेगी हमको मिट जाने के बाद, ऐ फलक रफ़त मिलेगी हमको मिट जाने के बाद, जिंदा परवाना हुआ करता है जल जाने के बाद।
The library is a Wi-Fi zone and has dedicated rooms for research scholars with a huge collection of reference books from every stream of education in the research section. The periodical section of the library helps students with current affairs and news through a variety of magazines and newspapers in various Indian languages. The Department of Ancient Indian and Asian Studies was started in 1962. The founder, Vice Chancellor Dr. K.K. Datta, felt the need of a dedicated department for the studies of South Asian culture, heritage, and language, and the university, as Bodh Gaya is the biggest pilgrimage site for Buddhists.
ये एक टीचिंग म्यूजियम है और इस म्यूजियम को हम लोगों ने अपने विभागीय स्तर पर इस तरह से निर्माण किया है कि जो यहाँ पर अध्ययनरत एमए के जो कोर्सेज हैं, सिलेबस है, उसके अनुरूप यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने बताने का कोशिश किया है। आर्कोलॉजी में भारतीय संस्कृति का उद्गम कहाँ से है, प्री हिस्ट्रिक एज क्या है और हिस्ट्रिकल एज क्या है। इसका जो टेक्नोलॉजी था बनाने का उस समय मॉर्स के और उसके पहले वो बिल्कुल ही अलग था। वो हम इसको देखते हैं कि आज इसकी नकल, विज्ञान इतना प्रगति पर है लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हम इसको नकल नहीं कर पाते हैं।
और बाकी ये सब क्या है?
अच्छा, इसमें सारे के सारे सिरामिक से हैं, मतलब क्ले के बने हुए सारे के सारे में सेक्शन है हमारा। आप जैसे इसको देखेंगे कुषाण काल में एक फीचर आता था, हम जो हमारा सिलेबस है उस पर मैक्सिमम जो हमारे क्वाइंस का, न्यूमिस्मेटिक्स के अंतर्गत जितने क्वाइंस हैं जो प्राचीन काल का, हम उनको डिस्प्ले करते हैं। ये ग्रीक कॉइन्स में है कि इनको जो क्रिश्चियन एरा के पूर्व में जितने सर्कुलेशन थे हमारे यहाँ कॉइन्स, उनका हम कलेक्शन करके इसको बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं सिलेबस के अनुसार। और इधर फिर चला ये गुप्ताज कॉइन है, तो हर पीरियड का हर किंगडम है, एम्पायर है, उन सारे एम्पायरों के बारे में। तो गुप्ताज कॉइन्स वगैरह जिन्होंने बनाया है, वो रामगुप्त हो या चंद्रगुप्त द्वितीय है, विक्रमादित्य है, फिर उसके बाद में आपका हर्षवर्धन है, ये सारा का लेटर गुप्ता और गुप्ता। ये सील है, इसको सील कहते हैं, जो समुद्रगुप्त द्वारा इसको बनाया गया था। अब इधर आप चले आइए। सबसे मजे की बात है कि बोधिया की धरती पर मगध विश्वविद्यालय है और मगध विश्वविद्यालय में हमने इस पेनोरमा में दिखाने का कोशिश किया है कि महाबोधि मंदिर का निर्माण कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ, उसके बाद विध्वंस हुआ और फिर पूरा उसको रिनोवेट किया गया, कंजर्वेशन और प्रिजर्वेशन किया गया।
The department helps the student to understand the preaching of Lord Buddha in depth. They help themselves and their society to establish a better workplace to live on the path showed by Lord Buddha. The Vipassana hall and worship in the pagoda is a part of the academic curriculum. People from Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, Korea, Japan, Sri Lanka, Tibet, and Latin American countries come here for the Buddhist studies at the postgraduate level and research on the preachings of Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha preached in Pali after enlightenment. You would be surprised to know that this language is taught in only a few universities around the world. Prakrit is the language in which the founder of Jainism, Lord Mahavir, preached. The traditional subjects in various streams are a firm foundation of the university. The various scholars from these courses are serving the nation and doing research in different parts of the world.
So, Lord Buddha is
So research is very important in order to upgrade the knowledge. We take interviews of the research scholars before getting registered, and this research process, it is on par with all directives of the UGC. After 6 months they give their exams, and once they get the certificate of research coursework, they are become eligible to become registered for the PhD.
In the past few years, due to the introduction of more job-oriented courses, a number of additional courses have started. The introduction of vocational courses has worked as a boon for the students, especially for students from the weaker sections of the society. A subsidized fee structure has helped them to continue their education in various professional courses. Students from all over Bihar come here to study the professional courses like foreign language, physiotherapy, mass communication, library sciences, biotechnology, biochemistry, hotel and tourism management.
इसके बाद जितने भी फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी हैं वो सब फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देती है बायोकेमिस्ट्री से एमएससी किए हुए स्टूडेंट्स की। और यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स अगर चाहें तो फिर नेट कम्पीट करके ये टीचिंग जॉब में भी जाते हैं, ये अपना आगे रिसर्च भी कंटिन्यू करते हैं, पीएचडी करते हैं, पेपर लिखते हैं। तो इस तरह से इसका बहुत ज़्यादा डायमेंशन है जिसमें यहाँ के लड़के अपने आप को आगे बढ़ने का मौका दे सकते हैं। फॉरेन जा कर के टॉफिल कम्पीट करके फॉरेन जा सकते हैं।
This is the first academy of its kind which is providing foreign languages courses in 10 languages. There are 4 European languages and 6 Asian languages. Actually, what I was telling that recently, and that has been one of my main focus also, to invite the guest scholars from those countries which languages we are teaching here in the academy, like Japanese, Chinese, Korean, Spanish, French, Tibetan, Thai.
फ्लावर पसंद है। नहीं मैं जापानी से बोले यामादा सेंसेनिवा ठीक है कोनो भी हुआ तो ते मोइशी देते हैं ठीक है बनाते हैं ठीक है मॉम है सिस्टर है।
So that way, and this is a very important part of my program in this academy, to invite those scholars, those nationals, native people, and also they also advised that they should interact with the native, because Bodh Gaya is a hub of activities. Now these students, these boys and girls are very fortunate to have an academy here of this kind where these languages are being taught, as well as they will get the certificate which will provide them job. The most important part of language teaching is listening and speaking.
먹고 나서 애들이 해주길래 그러고 나서 기회는 새로운 음악을 찾기 위해 다양한 시도를 하고 있었다.
In the foreign language courses, that there are diverse opportunities in foreign language. They can get job as translators, as interpreters in different institutions, also in government sectors, corporate sectors, and companies, they employ the experts of the language, for their own reason. And looking at the future of Bodh Gaya, I think there will be no dearth of jobs for those who know foreign language or those who are having the certificates of foreign language.
Apart from all other courses, the introduction of distance learning programs from various subjects has been an important step of Magad University in educating Bihar. Magad University has a dedicated course for the upliftment of women in the society. The Department of Women Education helps to understand the basic social problems of women. A number of women from around Bihar are benefited from this course, and they help to form a better society.
हजार 2007 से स्टार्ट हुआ मगध यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर में, और यहाँ शुद्ध रूप से मेडिकल की पढ़ाई होती है है तो पैरामेडिकल, लेकिन मेडिकल सब्जेक्ट हम लोग 16 सब्जेक्ट हम लोग पढ़ा रहे हैं यहाँ पर। और एक्सरसाइज थेरेपी की भी पढ़ाई होती है। यहाँ पर प्रतिदिन 50 से 60 पेशेंट्स हमारे ओपीडी में आते हैं। हमारा ओपीडी में भी 2 टीचर बहुत ही कॉम्पिटेंट हैं, और प्लस फाइनल ईयर के जो स्टूडेंट हैं उनको ट्रेनिंग हम लोग वहाँ देते हैं, और निस्वार्थ भाव से समर्पित होकर के मरीजों की सेवा में हम लोग लगे हुए हैं।
ये लेटरली मूव करेगा या बाहर की ओर जाएगा, दिस इज कॉल्ड, कौन सी मूवमेंट है? एक्शन एंड दिस पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है, क्लासिफाइड होता है। वॉलंटरी जो मसल्स की आपकी पावर है वो कम हो गई तो ग्रेविटी अपनी तरफ खींच लगेगी। सपोज दैट अगर किसी की एंड इंस्पिरेटरी रेट
दो प्रोसेस राइट साइड हम लोग के
जॉइंट बनाता है, इट फॉर्म्स 2 जॉइंट्स
और मूवमेंट में
और एक एक्सरसाइज में जैसे
मीडियम नर्व है जाएगा।
The university campus is like a small town. It has residential area for teaching and non-teaching staff, apart from 8 hostels for 1,500 students, including a girls' hostel. Police station, hospital, temple, and a stadium makes it a safe and lovely place to live in.
Today, after 54 years of establishment of the university, Gaya has the highest literacy rate of Bihar, 76%. This really sounds interesting. We hope in the coming future, Gaya will attain a 100% literacy rate status in Bihar. And Magad University has been contributing to this. Let's see, with all the professional courses and all the other courses of the university, we shall definitely attain this status. Thank you.
मगध विश्वविद्यालय गुरुकुल की शान, अमृतम तो विद्या का मुक्त हस्तदान, अमृतम तो विद्या का मुक्त हस्तदान। बुद्धं शरणं संघं शरणं धर्मं शरणं ज्ञानं वरणं। बुद्धं शरणं संघं शरणं धर्मं शरणं ज्ञानं वरणं। गया धाम नालंदा पटना गुरुद्वारे, राजर्षि ब्रह्म ऋषि सप्तऋषि सारे। गौतम सुजाता से इसकी पहचान, अमृतम तो विद्या का मुक्त हस्तदान, अमृतम तो विद्या का मुक्त हस्तदान। बुद्धं शरणं संघं शरणं धर्मं शरणं ज्ञानं वरणं। बुद्धं शरणं संघं शरणं धर्मं शरणं ज्ञानं वरणं। निरंजना के कण कण से झंकृत प्रेम राग, सुख शांति करुणा के सप्तक परदेश राग। अंतस में रग रग स्पंदित विज्ञान, मगध विश्वविद्यालय गुरुकुल की शान, मगध विश्वविद्यालय गुरुकुल की शान। बुद्धं शरणं संघं शरणं सहशील समाधि प्रज्ञा दिव्यदान बोधि वृक्ष छाह करे नर से भगवान अमृतम तु विद्या का मुक्त हस्तदान अमृतम तु विद्या का मुक्त हस्तदान बुद्धं शरणं संघं शरणं धर्मं शरणं ज्ञानं वरणं बुद्धं शरणं संघं शरणं धर्मं शरणं